Hi everyone, welcome back. To kick off the new year, we are going to go in with a brand new collection that is the perfect, clean, just beautiful neutral syrups, but we're going to create a little bit of a glazed donut kind of moment. And there's no better way to kick off the new year without a fresh, clean color palette. So we're going to be trying out the DVOK Clean Girl collection, which consists of 10 syrups and a chrome powder. So this is just an overall really awesome, just really soft neutrals with pinks pulled in and a perfect chrome topper, which is going to give you best of both worlds. You're going to have those neutrals, but yet a really fun, clean, fresh finish with some glazed donut nails. So I'm really excited for this, and the syrups are absolutely amazing. I really like the bottles as well. The number one thing that I've noticed when I was playing with the DVOK syrups is that they self-level almost instantly. So like when you're applying it, it's just the best coverage that I've ever used for a syrup. And I've only tried a couple DVOK colors, and to be honest with you, it's only for just been swatching. I've never really created a set diving into the full potential that DVOK has to offer. And I'm so glad that I'm trying it for the first time with this collection because I am loving the formula. So these colors are also really buildable. So I went ahead and cured that first color for a full 30 seconds. And I really like the coverage that we got. But I'm really dying to see what this looks like with two coats because I feel like for me personally, I love a good nudie color, especially when it comes to a syrup. But for me personally, I love how a syrup looks with two coats, but I do like that you can get a really good color payoff with one coat as well. So you got best of both worlds when it comes to this syrup. But see how it just lays so nicely on the nail and just it self levels like a dream. Overall, such a fantastic formula. And if you tried DVOK before, let me know what your go-to colors are because I definitely want to check those out. So for today's nail look, we're going to dive into 5 out of the 10 colors. So you're going to be able to get a good feel on some of the fun colors that this collection has to offer. I feel like they're fun because it's fresh, it's clean, and I feel like when we hit this color right here in particular, when we go ahead and hit it with the chrome, it's just going to bring it to life. And I really like the whole glazed nail look, and I feel like it's a great way just to kind of start off the new year with just something fun on your nails. And again, you don't have to use the chrome powder on top of these are overall just really gorgeous, in my opinion, great staple colors to have in your collection. And then stay tuned, we will dive into the other 5 at a later time for a different video as well. Plus, there's a lot of warmth tones to this mixed in with a little bit of cool tones as well. And I feel like the warmth you can definitely just dabble into just for like a really beautiful neutral Valentine's Day look as well. Again, options are endless when it comes to this fairly fun neutral color palette. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's finish up our colors so you can see the rest of them in action. And then I'm gonna pop back in just a little bit when it's time to play with the Clean Girl Chrome. right, so that was the last color and it did not disappoint. I really love just like that soft pink. And then here are all the nails before we go ahead and pop that chrome on top of it. This looks good just like this, but I really want to see what 5 of these colors look like when we apply the Clean Girl Chrome. So I'm going to go ahead and use a little applicator that they included in the chrome and just took a little bit here. And then again, it's not going to give us like this overpowering chrome finish. It's just going to be delicate enough just to give us a little bit of a light kind of glam kind of moment. And I really like how this chrome powder looks so far. So I am just working it in with the eyeshadow applicator. Me personally, I'm going to switch sponges here in a moment. I like to use the like the little square sponges. And for me personally, I just feel like when I use a sponge, I get a smoother, cleaner finish, but I'm really loving this. I'm already loving how this is turning out with the first color. So I cannot wait to see what this chrome is going to look like on top of the other colors. So here you can see me, I'm switching it up with that, just like that little square sponge, and it made all the difference in the world for me. I just was easily able to apply that chrome. It was just, for me personally, I just love the effect that I get with a sponge. Also with this formula, I did try applying the chrome right on top of the gel polish after I cured it, and I did not get a good chrome finish. So you definitely want to go ahead and apply a top coat, and then I did cure that for 30 seconds, and then I did go ahead and apply the chrome, and then I did go ahead and finish curing for that full 60 seconds. But here's what the two colors look side by side, so you can definitely see that they are different. And then this, for me, this might be my favorite one besides another one that you're going to see here in a moment. I really like how the lighter colors look on top of the chrome. I feel like this is a great color combination for wedding season, or doing a little bit of a French tip moment with this being your base and then doing just the chrome, a French tip. I feel like this is a really gorgeous color. I'm going to add a little bit more chrome to it to see if I can build it up a little bit, just kind of playing with the whole collection. Another thing that I noticed about this chrome powder is that it has a beautiful pearl finish, and I'm not getting any of like those slight like micro glitter reflexes in here. It's a true pearl finish, which I love that so much. Sometimes when you're playing with chromes, it can lead, depending on which way the light hits it, you can see kind of like just these micro glitter pieces in there, and I am not getting that effect with this chrome powder at all. So that is definitely a plus. It's giving you that beautiful, just clean glazed nail look. I don't even know if glazed donut nail look is the right word for this, but I love this. I just feel like this never goes out of style, right? A beautiful, just neutrals with a chrome finish is just chef's kiss in my opinion. All right, so here are the two colors side by side. You can definitely see they do look very different. And then this is the one I was really excited to see, is the pink with the chrome on top of it, and it's already melted my whole heart. So if you can tell already, I'm completely obsessed with this collection, and I cannot wait for it to just incorporate it through. I just feel like the colors are great for base colors, especially if you're going to implement nail art. You don't necessarily need to do the whole chrome thing like we did today. You can use these colors as a base and then do your nail art on top of it. I just feel like these are great, just soft, neutral. It's just the perfect neutral pink color palette for me, and I really like how well they applied and that they look good with one coat and two coats. All right, so here's what it looks like before we go ahead and apply the final layer of top coat on everything, just to seal it and give us that perfect shine. And I can already see this glossy finish just come to life, and I can already tell that I'm gonna love this set. All right, so my final impressions on the DVOK Clean Girl collection is that, in my opinion, if you are on the market for some syrups and you want a neutral color palette with some neutrals and pinks mixed in, this collection is definitely going to be for you. This is what it looks like with the flash on. You can definitely see just more of that pearl coming through. And no matter what, if you are using these as a base color for nail art or adding chrome on top of it, you're gonna get a really just beautiful, soft, clean finish, but yet with a hint of glam mixed in. I just overall love this collection. So let me know what your thoughts are on the new DVOK Clean Girl collection. I would love to know. And if you tried it, let me know what your favorite colors were from this collection as well. And again, everything that we use in today's video can be found in that description box below. And I'll see you all in the next one.